Express sin A, tan A and cosecant A in terms of secant A. Sin A is equal to tan A into cos A is equal to tan A divided by secant A. Tan A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Tan A is equal to the root of secant square A minus 1. Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 plus tan A is equal to root of secant square A minus 1. Cot square A is equal to 1 by tan square A, that is 1 by root of secant square A minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus 1 by secant square A minus 1 is equal to secant square A minus 1 plus 1 divided by secant square A minus 1 is equal to secant square A divided by secant square A minus 1.